Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some more hot hairstyle ideas. So here we see a hair transformation. She starts off with blonde hair, dark roots. So she's actually picking out what the stylist is going to be doing with her hair. You would have to be very bold in order to just pick out your style through a jar. Looks like she's going with copper hair color trend. Oh, she's also getting some bangs added as well. Now this hairstyle combines more than one trend. Leave me in the comments below if you know what those hair trends are. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous color and haircuts. So we move on to the next hair transformation. She starts off with shoulder length dark hair. The stylist looks like he's going to be doing a blunt bob haircut with this transformation. Very simple chic bob, middle part, and I love her makeup. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give this video a like and of course hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So our last transformation starts off with someone who has rather long mid-length hair. She also has grown out roots, so she's probably going to be getting some color with this one. And the stylist ends up doing another blunt bob. I'm actually quite surprised that she didn't get color added, but I think that the grown out color looks better with the bob versus with the longer hair. And I love the way he styled it with the waves. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.